Welcome to Travel Closely YouTube channel. Today, we're sharing 13 essential travel hacks to help you navigate airports like a pro. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time traveler, these tips will save you time, stress, and money. 1. Pack smart. Use travel-sized bottles, packing cubes, and roll your clothes to maximize space in your suitcase. Efficient packing means you can carry more essentials without the bulk. 2. Stay connected. Always carry a portable charger for your devices. Airports can be a maze of long walks and waiting times, so a fully charged device ensures you stay connected and entertained. 3. Dress for comfort. Wear layers and comfortable shoes for a smooth journey. Airports and planes can be unpredictable with their temperatures, so layering up allows you to adapt easily. 4. Keep yourself entertained. Download books, movies, and podcasts ahead of time. This way, you'll have a variety of options to keep you occupied during layovers and flights without relying on inconsistent Wi-Fi. 5. Health essentials. Pack a small first aid kit and hand sanitizer. Air travel can be physically taxing and germ-laden, so having health essentials on hand keeps you ready for any minor emergencies. 6. Early check-in. Check in online to save time and avoid long lines. Early check-in can also help secure better seating options and ensure a smoother start to your journey. 7. Lounge access. Consider investing in lounge access for some pre-flight relaxation. Airport lounges offer a peaceful retreat with comfy seating, refreshments, and even showers. 8. TSA PreCheck. Apply for TSA PreCheck to breeze through security. This trusted traveler program expedites security checks, so you can skip the long lines and keep your shoes on. 9. Hydrate. Bring an empty water bottle to fill up after passing security. Staying hydrated is key to combating the dry air in airplanes and keeping yourself feeling fresh. 10. Snacks. Pack some healthy snacks to avoid overpriced airport food. Nutritious snacks like nuts, fruits, and protein bars can keep hunger at bay and save you money. 11. Backup plan. Always have a backup plan for delayed or cancelled flights. Keep a list of alternate flights and hotels handy, so you can quickly rearrange your plans if things go awry. 12. Luggage identification. Make your luggage easily identifiable with a unique tag or ribbon. This helps in quickly spotting your bags on the carousel and reduces the risk of picking up the wrong one. 13. Relax and enjoy. Arrive early to reduce stress and take advantage of airport amenities. Use the extra time to explore shops, dine, or simply unwind before your flight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks from Inspired Lifestyle Blog. Safe travels.